Hello guys, so welcome to KU tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this particular WDM2 locomotive over here. So let's say few things are left, we'll just check it out over here. So let's just open up a reference again, and first we'll just create the tracks over here. So let's just model the tracks. So I'll just go to the top view and I'll go into the line tool and I'll just take a line, go to the front view, push this, go into rendering, enable in viewport, and let's slightly increase its width over here. So convert to editable poly, select this edges, let's give two connects over here, shuffle it up, select this, let's give one connect, again drag this a bit down in this way, and I'll just duplicate it. So again I'll go into this view over here and I'll make a copy of it over here. So this is a diesel locomotive over here. So still we'll just create the wires over here. So again I'll go into this, let's take a box over here. I'll just take a box, drag it in this way, I'll slightly scale it. Again I'll go over here, I'll take a cylinder, I'll just take a cylinder, reduce its radius, increase its height, just rotate it, drag it up over here, convert to editable poly, still reduce its radius if needed, select the polygons, and extrude it. So I can just extrude it very less. So just push this up, scale it, and drag it in this way. So again I'll go over here, I'll mirror it in y-axis. So you can create the bolts and all this stuff if needed. So again I'll go over here, take a cylinder, just drag a cylinder, reduce its sides, increase its height, drag it like this, convert to poly, insert it, and extrude it up. Group this, click OK. I'll just select this and I'll mirror it in y-axis like this. So just select this whole thing and let's make a copy of it. So we can make multiple copies like this. in this way. So I'll just save the file once. So again select this, I'll just go over here, and if you need it, what I can do over here is like I can just take a reference of it. So let's just take a reference of it. So we can just take some reference over here. Just for your understanding. So let's just save this image. I'll just save as in it. Let's save it. If you can find some other reference, you can take that as well. So this is the correct reference, I can take it. Let's just save it. So go into file, view image file. I can take any of the references. I can go into this again. I can take some other reference. Okay, this is a good reference over here. So we can create some poles if needed. So I'll just create a basic pole over here like this. So convert to editable poly. So I have also created one tutorial of OHE, a proper OHE where we can the side unit which is going to help it. So I can just go over here, go into this side view for now. I'll just take a line. I'll go over here and enable in viewport, reduce its size. So although this is a diesel locomotive, so it is not used, so I can just push this till here, slightly increase its height and convert to editable spline. You can go over here, you can put some refine if needed. We can just slightly push it down. Again I can just make a copy of it as needed. So we can just create this copies over here, shuffle it a bit up. So if you want some more references, you can take out some references. Okay, we can go with this. I'll just save as it. So let's take this. It's a good reference. I can slightly shuffle this down, push this up. Scale it a bit, not much but a bit. So select this, let's give some connect over here. So let's give two connects. So select the polygons and let's just bridge it. So we can just bridge the elements. So if we create that looks good over here as well as and gives a good impact on the main model. Alright, now I can just go over here, I can take a line just off this, I can just connect it in this way, just place it in this way. So now we have something called helix over here. So let's just take a helix over here and let's give some turns over here to the helix if needed. So slightly we can reduce its height, we can use the helix as well as other things. So what I'll do is I'll just take a cylinder. So let's just create a cylinder. Go over here, increase its size and increase its height segments. So convert to editable poly. So let's select this polygons and let's give a bit of bevel by local normal. So in this way you can use this method over here, scale it and let's just go into the side view and place it over here in this way. So although I have created a video on this modeling this unit, and let's click OK. So again I'll go over here, select this and again I'll make a duplicate of it. I'll make a copy over here. So we make sure that it is connected over here. So this has to go a bit further. So slightly shuffle it further and let's again take a box over here, push it up till here, convert to poly. So select this polygons. These are some fine details. If you need you can put that. Select the polygons and again extrude it up and drag it up in this way. Insert it, extrude it inside, so drag it till here from the top over here. Alright, we'll keep it as it is, that looks better. Now I can just slightly make it a bit cross. Alright, select this, drag it, so again go over here, reduce its thickness, push it up, so drag it till here. Let's give a bit of fillet. So we can just make some duplicates if needed. Wherever it is. So alright. So I'll just select this, I'll just go into the material and I'll just assign and I'll give a bit of a Lambert. Slightly I'll give a bit of a specular. So just double click on it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.